Hello everyone, welcome to the channel NR Media 24/7. My name is Rajesh.
Hello, I am Nishi.
Today we are going to react to a musical. It's called Boom Boom Bangalore. It has Bhima, Vijay Kumar, Charan Raj, Krishna Sarthak and Jagadish Gowda in the title credits. So let's check this one out.
ಮಕ್ಷಿ ಪಿಳಂಕ ತಾರಾ ರೇಕ್ದಾರ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಡೋ ಅಕ್ಕಿಗಳು. ಆಡದಿರೋ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಇದೆ, ಜಂಗ್ಲಿ.
ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು, ನಮ್ಮೊಡೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು, ಮನ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು, ಯಂಗ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. ಲೇಲೆ ಅಮ್ಮುಣ್ಣ ಲೇಲೆ, ಲೇಲೆ ಅಮ್ಮುಣ್ಣ ಲೇಲೆ, ಲೇಲೆ ಅಮ್ಮುಣ್ಣ ಲೇಲೆ, ಲೇಲೆ ಅಮ್ಮುಣ್ಣ ಲೇಲೆ.
ನಿನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೆಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾನ್ ನೋಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಅದು ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್.
ಸಫಲ ತಂಡ ಗಂಡ ಗಂಡನ ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಲು ತಂದವನೇ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಡ್ಡಿನ. ಸಫಲ ತಂಡ ಗಂಡ ಗಂಡನ ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಲು ತಂದವನೇ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಡ್ಡಿನ. ಹಲ್ಲ ಕಣ್ಣ ತೆಗೆದಿರೋ ಬತ್ತಾರ ಬಲ್ಲ, ನಾ ತಂದಿರ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಡ್ಡಿ ಹಾಕ ಬಲ್ಲೆಯ ಬಲ್ಲೆಯ.
ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಬಾರೋ, ನಂದೇ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸ್ಟೇಡಿಯಂ.
So this is releasing on August 9th. Very catchy music. For some reason I feel like I have heard this music before, but I'm not able to place where I heard this. But it's very very catchy. What do you think about the music?
Yeah, the lyrics and the chorus, everything is really easy. And I think initially they had different ways, right, of saying my Bangalore. Like that was really nice addition. Overall, and they showed some behind the scenes also in there, right? With the crew and singers and everything. So looks nice.
Yes. So please do let us know what you think about this song in the comment section below. And if you are new here, please do subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram. Our handle is NR Media 24/7. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.